Hi, Assalamualaikum and good morning, everyone. Today we have one slot for Pecutan Akhir. I will discuss paper 1, MRSM. I think most of the students you have done. So I just want to refresh some of the concept involving topics covered in the paper 1. Okay, as usual when you get the paper 1 question, okay, apa yang you perlu buat, you just go through, okay, especially the formula part. Okay, formula arranged according to the chapters. So it's very easy to to find the formula involved in the questions. Okay, boleh nampak You are very lucky. There are so many formula included. Okay, let's start for number 1. Okay, so for the question, I will discuss the related concept. Okay, for number 1, physical quantity is a vector quantity. Okay, as we know that physical quantity that can be measured. So physical quantity can be divided to 2 groups. Okay, so we have this one, scalar and vector for this question. Okay, this one, magnitude plus direction. For vector, Okay, magnitude only. Okay, vector, magnitude, and direction. Okay, so based on the answer given here, which one is scalar, which one is vector? Look at the first one, thermodynamic temperature. This one is scalar. Kinetic energy, all type of energy is scalar. Okay, electric current and also base quantity. This one also scalar. We look at the last one, weight. Weight is force. Force must have direction. So weight is a vector quantity. Okay, look at next question, number 2. Diagram shows graph change in kinetic energy of photoelectron release, different light frequencies. Ini topik physics quantum. Tapi kenapa dia ada di number 2? Okay, we look at the question. From the graph, determine kinetic energy when light frequency 8 times 10 power 14. So it means the graph is kinetic energy against frequency. Given frequency, you need to find the kinetic energy. It means this question is about graph, interpolation for the graph. So this one is in chapter 1 form 4 actually. Okay. So 8 times 10 power 14. Here is 10 power 14. 8 is here. Okay, so what you do, you just draw interpolation line. Okay, just use ruler. Lukis sampai atas sini. And then here, this side. Yeah, we get the for answer already here. It's kinetic energy. Okay, 1.2. The unit is EB. Okay, so answer is B. Okay, no need to go and calculate everything, the gradient of that. You're wasting your time. So you just look at the title. Okay, the question wants you to find the value of kinetic energy when frequency given. So it's a very straight away question. Okay, ini hanyalah soalan interpolation of graph. Okay, number 3. Okay, a student run from point X to Y and back to point Z. X pergi Y, this direction, and then, macam tu. Okay, so displacement of the student represent by point what? Apa definition untuk displacement? Okay, apa displacement? The shortest distance. In a specified direction. There are so many definition actually, or the distance, the shortest distance between initial and final point. So can. Okay, so this is the initial and this is the final. Okay, ini start sini, end sini. Okay, so the shortest distance is just drawing a straight line between these 2 points. This one will become the displacement. Okay, so you have displacement is XZ. Okay, shortest distance. Okay, or the shortest distance between initial and final point. That one, the shortest distance between initial and final. Dari mula sampai akhir tu apa dia punya distance. Okay, number 4. Velocity V against time of a toy lorry. Okay, so you have the OA, AB, and BC. Which of the following comparison is correct? Okay, this is a VT graph. What you can get from VT graph? Remember the gradient is velocity, gradient is acceleration. Gradient is acceleration. Area equals to distance or displacement. Okay, so we just look at the first one is talking about acceleration. You can look at the slope, okay, for OA and BC. Okay, which one is steeper? So you can see for OA is steeper. So acceleration for OA is higher than BC is correct here. Okay, just go through. Acceleration OA lower than BC. No, it's just wrong. AB is higher than BC. AB acceleration 0, so it's wrong. OA same as BC. Of course not. Okay, so answer ialah B. Okay, number 5. Feather and ball. Drop. Okay, same time, same height. Okay, this is ball and this is feather. Feather and ball bearing will reach ground at the same time if they will reach the ground at the same time if both experience free fall. Okay, for case of free fall, no air resistance. So the only force that act on the object is gravitational pull. Okay, let's look at the best answer from here. Density, same, no. Shape, same, no. Weight of object, ignored. Okay. Okay, the air resistance is ignored. Yes. Okay. Means the only force that act is the gravitational force, which is the mg. And we know that acceleration due to gravity does not depend on mass. Huh? Okay, number 6, airplane needs a long runway to touch down. The situation can be explained by, means that when touch the ground, it should stop already, correct or not? But it's continue to move, means it's not easily to stop due its larger mass. Okay, so this one is concept of inertia. Okay, concept of inertia. Difficult to stop. Okay, why larger mass? Okay, so for number 6, if you look at the question, the answer here, which one related to inertia or law of inertia? Okay, that one is Newton first law. Okay, also known as law of inertia. Okay, number 7, pair of clackers, latu-latu, 2 hard plastic ball. The clackers ball produces loud cracking sound when collide at high velocity. Why hard plastic is used? The word hard. Okay, the word hard means to produce a strong force between the two clackers or the two balls when collide. Okay, so we can hear a loud sound. Okay, loud sound produced. Okay, so hard plastic. Okay, the word hard means time of impact is very short, and then larger impulsive force. Okay, so larger force act, you can hear a loud sound. Okay, so this one is to decrease time of impact. Okay, number 8. Diagram 7 shows astronaut wearing spacesuit. 80 kg. Walking on the moon is easier compared to on the surface of Earth while wearing the same suit. This one is very heavy suit. This statement explain above situation correctly. Yang mana betul? Okay. Very easy means weight is lighter. Okay, we look at the first one. A. Gravitational field strength on moon is higher. It's wrong. So actually moon is lower. Okay. Weight of spacesuit is lower, correct? Because G of moon is G of Earth divided by 6. So means the weight on the moon will be divided by 6. Let's say on Earth is 600, on the moon is only 100. So that's why it's very easy to walk. Not seem heavy lah. The suit on the moon compared to on Earth. Okay, number 9, Kepler's second law. Okay, kita dah belajar ada 3 law, Kepler's first law, second law and third law. Okay, the first law ialah berkaitan dengan apa? First law. Ini ialah law of orbit. Okay, the shape of the orbit is the ellipse shape. Okay, and then the second one ialah law of area. Okay, law of area. In the same time, the area covered will become equal. Okay, itu yang law of area. Okay, and then kita ada yang third law. Ini yang berkaitan dengan orbital speed dengan radius. Okay. So Kepler's second law, kita lihat jawapan nombor 9. A line that connects planet to sun sweeps out equal areas in equal time. Equal areas, equal time. Okay, answer is correct, A. Ini ialah first law. Elliptical. Okay, and then yang C ialah third law. The square of orbital period, T square, directly proportional to the cube of radius. Okay, the third law. Jadi jawapan ialah A lah, sebab dia nak second law. Okay, number 10, rocket launch send man-made satellite to outer space. Okay, why does rocket needs a large quantity of fuel for launching? Kita tahu rocket is a very heavy it contains a few parts which is very heavy. Okay, why it needs large quantity of fuel for launching? Because to arrive at the outer space means the rocket need to overcome the gravitational force of Earth. To overcome that, it requires very high momentum, of course, very high energy, very high thrust. Okay, the best answer looks like about the some of it we can see it is quite correct lah, but we choose the best one. Okay, so to produce high thrust, to achieve escape velocity of the Earth. Okay, number 11. Diagram shows thermometer used to measure temperature of water. Reading of temperature is taken when thermometer reaches thermal equilibrium. Which of following statement explain thermal equilibrium? Okay, ada dua sifat dia, iaitu net heat transfer is 0. Net rate heat transfer 0. Okay, same temperature. The object must be in thermal contact. Okay, soalan tanya tentang thermal equilibrium, keseimbangan thermal. Net heat transfer greater. Net heat transfer same. Sebab ada perkataan net. Net heat transfer 0. Heat transfer 0. Salah. Sebab ini bukan net. Ini should be same heat transfer. Okay. So jawapan ialah C. Jadi baca soalan dengan hati-hati ya. Pilih jawapan yang tepat. Electric kettle power rating. Ini ialah voltage, ini power. Mass 500 gram. Soalan, what is the time taken X to boil the water? Okay, sampai sini berapa time taken? Okay, so amount of heat absorbed. Here you can see there is change in temperature. Kalau ada change in temperature, we call it heat capacity. Formula Q equals mc theta. So in this case, the heat energy is supplied by the heating element of the kettle. Means PT equals to mc theta. Power ialah 2000 tadi. Ya, power 2000. 1000 T. Mass 0.5 500 gram, tukar 0.5. Specific heat capacity of water. Change in temperature ialah 30 to 100. So 100 minus 30. Because this is the change in temperature. Okay, so you can find the T. Okay, find T. You will get the answer will be equals to tekan calculator. .5 second. Okay, number 13, balloon filled with helium gas, same balloon expand as it rises, constant temperature. Which law explain the above situation? Ingat balik yang triangle tu. PVT. Constant temperature. Means relationship between P and V ialah Boyle's law. Okay. Number 14, produced by tuning fork. So you can see the sound wave produced are the compression, reflection. I think the labeling is not so good. Should be here. Reflection. Okay, which of following statement explain longitudinal waves? Remember all the properties of the longitudinal wave. Particle vibrates opposite direction with direction of propagation. Not really accurate. Okay. Vibrate in the direction perpendicular. Perpendicular ialah transverse. Same direction, same as A. Ini not really accurate. Look at the parallel. So ini yang paling accurate. Okay. Parallel to the direction of propagation. Okay, number 15. Soprano singer. What is the physics phenomenon explained above situation? Okay, the word here is soprano, the glass shattered. Okay, shattered, pecah. So ini adalah konsep resonance. What is resonance? Resonance occur when force frequency is equal to the natural frequency of the system. So when this happens, what happens to the system? Vibrates or oscillates at larger amplitude. Okay, so ini adalah konsep resonance. Means the glass here shattered because it received the sound wave. Okay, we call it the force frequency equals to its natural frequency. Okay, so what happens? The molecule of the glass vibrate at maximum amplitude until it able to release itself, thus the glass break. Okay, so ini adalah konsep resonance. Okay, force frequency maksudnya ialah frekuensi yang diterima. Okay, the energy that received by the system. Okay, so when the energy received cause it to oscillate, we call it oscillate at force frequency. And then the system has its own natural frequency. So force frequency equals to natural frequency. The system vibrate at very large amplitude atau maximum amplitude. Okay, so bila maximum, dia boleh release itself from the between the molecule, release from the bond between the molecule, so dia akan pecah lah. Okay, gelas tu akan pecah. So Kevin, I discussed the MRSM paper 1. Physics, MRSM paper 1. Okay, number 16. A man using device to measure depth of a well, the time taken for the emitted sound wave to return to the receiver 0.05 centimeter. Ini ialah ultrasound, reflection of sound wave. Okay, dia ada receiver, ada transmitter. To determine the depth of a well. Okay, nak cari kedalaman perigi air. Berapa kedalaman ini? The depth. Okay, I hope you still remember the formula that we use. D equals to VT divided by 2. Okay, because D is a one way, the ultrasound or the sound wave is moving two way. That's why the time taken need to divide by 2. So we have this formula. Okay, soalan. Okay, what is the depth of the well? Yes, D equals VT divided by 2. Okay, so 340, the time taken 0.05. 0.05. So divide by 2. Okay. Okay, number 16. 16, answer ialah C. Okay. Okay, number 17, water waves refracted. Region X, region Y. Which of following statement is correct? Okay, you can see here the lambda. This is lambda X and this is lambda Y. So you can see the lambda X is longer than lambda Y. Okay, frequency for both region are same. So from the formula V equals to F lambda. So V directly proportional to lambda. So it means the velocity or the speed of water wave in X is greater than Y. So if X is greater means deep region and Y is shallow. Kita tahu velocity of water wave atau speed of water wave depends on depth. Okay. Kawasan ini dia lebih dalam, deeper region. Ini shallow region. Okay. So X is deeper. Frequency should be same, bukan lebih tinggi. Okay, as we know that for refraction of wave, okay, frequency is constant, V directly proportional to depth, wavelength, depth. Okay, depth increase, the speed increase, lambda increase. Sebab V directly proportional to lambda, F constant. Okay, number 18, interference pattern, young double slit. Ini light. Kita tengok color, ini yellow, yellow light, ini green light. Yellow. Green. Okay, bila nampak soalan ini, boleh tulis dia punya itu, arrangement tu, untuk color. Okay, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Okay, wavelength decrease dari red to violet. Soalan, which relationship explain the above situation? Why the yellow one, X is longer? Okay, ini green. Okay, means X of yellow is longer than X of green color. So it's something to do with lambda. So go to the formula list, you can find this formula. X equals D lambda over A. For young double slit experiment, if you relate X and lambda, D and A are constant. Okay, D dengan A ni dia constant, dia tak berubah. Jadi relate ialah X dengan lambda. Kalau you tengok sini, yellow dengan green. Lambda yellow is longer than lambda green. Okay, jadi that's the reason why X untuk yellow is longer than X untuk green. Sebab wavelength dia. wavelength dia. Jadi relationship between X dengan lambda. Wavelength increase, distance X increase. Ini betul. Ini terbalik salah. Speed of wave decrease, tak ada kaitan dengan speed sebab speed dia sama. Ini light light speed constant. Okay. Kita guna formula ni ya. Ini takut you confuse pula. Ya. Interference of light. Okay, number 19, tooth filling material. Name the wave used. Okay, yang warna macam purple, violet. Tu. 19 kita guna ialah ultraviolet. Kalau you biasa pergi klinik gigi doktor letak macam warna purple tu. Okay, ultraviolet. Itu nama dia. Okay, ini untuk mengeraskan bahan tampalan, hardening the tooth filling. Tanpa gigi nak keraskan dia punya filling tu, dia letakkan UV ultraviolet. Okay, number 20, looking at a metal plate that appears closer to the water. Kita tahu ini konsep ialah refraction of water. Okay, refraction of water. Which statement explain the situation? Why the image appear closer to the surface? Okay, light propagate from eye to metal plate, refracted towards normal line. Kalau you nak drawkan diagram, let's say saya guna reference point, ini image. Okay, the person observe the image. Okay, let's say here is the line of vision. Okay. Normal line here. Straight Sekena lukis guna ruler lah. So my drawing is not really straight. Ini dia punya light ray. Okay. So light ray from the object gets into the observer's eye. Line of vision straight. So he observed the image closer to the surface. Okay. Light propagates from eye to metal plate. No, it's not eye from metal. It's the metal plate to the eye. Light propagates from eye to metal plate, refracted away from normal. Okay, kalau light from the metal plates ini angle I, ini angle R. So refract away from normal. Refract away from normal. Water to air. So refract away from normal. Okay, jawapan D. Okay, from metal plate to eye, refracted away from normal. Okay. Light mesti datang dari objek from object to the eye. Then line of vision straight, observe the image along the line of vision. Okay, tu sebab nampak macam tu. Okay, number 21, semi-circular glass block. Okay, ini ialah angle 48. Many students mistaken the angle. Angle of incidence should be here. If here is 48, means here is 42. Okay. Angle R is here, R. 90 degrees. Because at the boundary. Soalan, What is incident angle for total internal reflection occur? So if angle 42, it is at a boundary for total internal reflection. Apa syarat? Okay, syarat dia, angle I should be more than critical angle. This 42 degrees apa dia? Okay, angle of incident that produce R equals to 90, also known as critical angle. So means the critical angle is 42 degrees based on the diagram. So your answer must be larger than 42. Okay, can we put 90? 90 no, 90 dia akan straight macam ni, dia tak ada total internal reflection. 0, 0. Okay, so jawapan ialah C. Okay, number 22, convex lens, converging lens, focal length 10 cm. Okay, ini lens, focal point, and then this is this part, okay, in front of the lens. Object, ini ialah object distance, ini ialah focal length. So you can see U 15 means U is larger than F. If you put here another one 2F, so it will become 20. Okay, ini 10, sini ialah 20 lah. So means the U is between F and 2F. Okay, so what are characteristic of image form? If you can memorize, you can just memorize. You can also use lens equation to calculate if you want, but don't waste time. If you can memorize, you just can memorize. U less than F, U equals to F, U between F and 2F, U equals to 2F, U more than 2F, U at infinity. Ada 6 semua So saya just ingat boom boom, rim wrist, read read. Okay, so between F and 2F ialah rim, so real, inverted, magnified. Jawapan C. Number 23, magnifying lens. Observe diamond. What is characteristic of diamond image form? Okay, kalau kita gunakan convex lens, convex lens, kita letak dekat dengan objek, very close dengan objek. Magnifying glass maksudnya dia punya position ialah U less than F. Untuk U less than F, kita akan dapat VUM. Okay, jadi virtual upright magnified. Magnified means bigger. Okay, jadi jawapan yang ada di sini ialah D, virtual. Number 24. Spherical mirror. Concave mirror. Okay, concave mirror, dia adalah sama dengan convex lens. Dia punya image, property of image atau characteristic of image. So you all boleh hafazkan ni lah, spherical concave mirror dengan convex lens. Okay, yang mana satu guna concave? Kita ada reflector at car headlight, side mirror, blind corner mirror atau blind spot, and vehicle rear mirror. Kalau you tengok yang ni, side mirror, okay, rear mirror atau blind spot mirror, we want to observe wider field of vision. Okay, kalau wider field of vision, dia mesti pakai convex. Okay, yang ni convex. Okay, sebab dia nak wider field of vision. Okay, baru dia boleh nampak kawasan tu dengan jelas apa yang berlaku. Okay, ini pun convex juga. Ini convex. Concave kat mana? Concave kita guna kat sini reflector in car headlight. Okay, maksudnya kalau dia concave mirror macam ni. Okay, you letakkan bulb kat sini, kat dekat focal point, kat focal point. Jadi light akan kena dekat reflector macam ni. So dia akan reflect parallel. Jadi bila light itu reflect parallel, dia boleh sampai further distance lah. Okay, dia boleh terangkan kawasan yang lebih jauh. Okay, itu tujuan dia guna concave. So yang ni adalah concave mirror. Okay. Okay, number 25, car move at constant velocity, air resistant, friction. Okay. Ini constant velocity. Kalau constant velocity maksudnya equilibrium. Okay, forces are balanced. Okay, ataupun net force equals 0. Okay. Jadi maksudnya ini sebelah kanan, sebelah kanan ialah R plus FR. Kalau dia same direction, kita boleh add. Ini T. So means T equals R plus FR. Sebab sini mention constant velocity. Okay. Jawapan D lah. Okay, number 26, worker pushing, push down, dia punya force adalah ke sini push. Which of following resolution? Okay, kalau you nak resolvekan force F, okay, you tengok direction dia kat mana. Okay, dia di sini kan, ini point dia. Okay, jadi lukiskan dia punya axis tu, y axis dengan x axis. Kalau direction dia dekat bahagian ni, third quadrant. Ini first, second, third, fourth. Third quadrant, maksudnya dia punya komponen pun mesti ada di third quadrant. Ini fx. Ini fy. Jadi dia mesti di third quadrant juga. Tak boleh lukis di sebelah sini fx. Ikut pada original force. Okay, jadi kita dapat ini fx, ini fy. Okay. Jawapan dia B. Number 27, identical cargo towed by towed by two same forces, F1 and F2. Which of following statement is correct? Okay, you tengok acceleration. Ini acceleration is greater than this one. Maksudnya net force larger. Kita guna formula F equals ME. Same mass, same cargo ship, in A directly proportional to the resultant force. Okay, resultant force of F1 and F2 lah. Pilih jawapan yang tepat. Okey, dalam kes ni jawapan A tu nampak macam betul. Tapi kenapa dia tak boleh terima? Sebab soalan ni dia mention identical cargo dengan same force. Nampak tak sini ya? Force ini F1, F2 dan F1, F2 here pun sama. Cargo ship pun same mass juga. Jadi faktor yang affect dalam kes ni ialah angle between the forces. Kau nampak ni 30, 60. Okay. Jadi smaller angle, larger acceleration, maksudnya larger net force. Okay. Ini larger angle, okay, smaller acceleration ataupun kita panggil lower net force. Okay. Jadi yang mana relate? Jadi jawapan A you tak boleh terima untuk case ini. Ada case yang mungkin betul. Angle increase, acceleration increase. Wrong. Angle increase, resultant force increase. Angle between forces decrease, resultant force increase. Jadi jawapan D. Okay. Number 28, siphon system, transfer water from higher region to lower region. B ya. Jawapan dia. Liquid pressure. Okay. Yang ni ialah berkaitan liquid pressure. (29) Manometer connected to container filled with gas. Piston push downward. Push downward means the volume of gas decrease. Volume decrease means pressure increase. V of gas here increase. So when pressure increase, it will push down this level. When this level is pushed down, this level will be pushed up. Okay, let's say here become here. So what happens to H? Increase. Okay. What happens to height? Increase. Okay, number 30, above statement is about pressure applied on enclosed fluid transmitted uniformly. Ini ialah Pascal principle. Hydraulic system. Okay, transmit pressure uniformly, okay, in all direction in fluid. 31, PQR are floating in the bathtub. True about buoyant force. Buoyant force formula rho Vg. Okay, what is this V? V is volume of water decrease. Okay, so volume of water displaced. Water displaced. Volume of water displaced equals to volume of the submerged part. Berapa persen daripada objek itu yang submerged? Okay, kalau you lihat sini, you nampak R tu, bahagian dalam water tu dia lebih besar, lebih besar. So volume of water displaced by R is larger than P, larger than Q. So when volume of water displaced by R is the highest, means the buoyant force R is higher. Okay, compared to P, compared to Q. So R is more than P, more than Q. Okay, ingat tu ya, volume of liquid displaced equals to volume of the submerged part. Okay, number 32, drawn propeller. Okay, correct about function of shape of propeller. Okay, kalau tengok bentuk dia macam shape dia ialah aerofoil shape, nampak tak ni? Macam plane wing ya. Aerofoil. Apa guna aerofoil? Dia nak hasilkan lift force. Okay. Jadi yang penting jawapan yang paling tepat. Number 33, voltmeter reading 1.5 volt. Ammeter reading, okay, when the switch is closed, voltmeter reading 1.2, ammeter reading 0.6. What is internal resistance? Okay, EMF ialah V plus I small r. So reading of the voltmeter equals to EMF minus IR. So we just use this formula straight away. 1.5 ialah EMF. When the switch is closed, the reading of voltmeter equals to EMF. Sorry, when the open. So V ialah 1.5 sini. Okay, maksudnya open, no current flow in external circuit, reading of the voltmeter equals to EMF. When the switch is closed, it dropped to 1.2 volt. So that one is V 1.2 volt. Current ialah 0.6 ampere. So you need to find small r. Just ganti dalam formula saja. EMF equals V plus I small r. So 1.5, 1.2, 0.6 r. So 0.6 r ialah 0.3. We get R equals to 0.5 ohm. Okay, that one is internal resistance of the battery. Okay, number 34, a bulb power rating 12 volt, 6 volt. Ini volt, voltage, ini power. Soalan, what is meant by power rating? Ini definition. Means when the bulb connected to 12 volt voltage, it will consume 6 watt means 6 joule per second. So means the bulb will consume 6 joule of energy in 1 second. Itu maksud 6 watt. Okay. Boleh pilih, boleh baca semua dan tengok mana yang paling tepat. Dia mesti ada mention voltage dengan energy per second. Okay, jawapan A ya. 6 joule of energy per second when connected to 12 volt potential difference. Okay, 35, Fleming's left hand rule. Ini adalah konsep motor. Okay, force on current carrying conductor in magnetic field. Okay, ini ialah konsep dia. Okay, dia produce catapult field. So catapult field ialah non-uniform field. So bila ada non-uniform field, dia akan produce resultant force. Okay, that move the object. Okay, X represent direction of FBI. FBI. Okay, so FBI maksudnya ialah force, magnetic field, direction, current. Jadi X tu ialah current. Okay. Number 36, bar magnet move into the solenoid. You can see there's no battery here. This is concept of electromagnetic induction. Electric current produced by change in magnetic flux atau cutting off magnetic flux. Ini ialah induction. So you can see for the bar magnet, it has a flux line. Okay, dia ada flux line. Okay, south move towards the solenoid. What happened? The solenoid will cut the magnetic flux of the bar magnet. When cuts the magnetic flux of bar magnet, according to Faraday's law, induced EMF will be produced across PQ. Okay. So when there is induced EMF, the PQ looks like now it has voltage. So this one will cause current to flow in the circuit. The EMF is induced, produce induced current. Okay. South move towards NQ. Okay. So it will produce opposing effect. Move towards, it becomes same pole. So this one will become south and this one will become north. Okay. So north to south. So use your right hand grip rule for solenoid. Okay. Your thumb is pointing to north. Ini tangan. And then the other forefinger curl. Okay. So curl from front to back. So you can see direction of current in the solenoid is this direction, front to back. So that's why it's going down here. Okay. So in the solenoid is from right to left, right to left. So the galvanometer pointer deflect to left. Okay. So deflection of the galvanometer, it depends on the induced EMF in the solenoid across PQ. Okay. Kalau dia right to left, dia akan left to right, dia akan deflect right. Ini ialah daripada right to left. Right to left. So right to left, deflect to left. Okay, will cause deflection sebab kita nak increasekan deflection, maksud you nak increasekan induced EMF ataupun induced current. What are the factors that increase the induced current? Decrease the number of turnover. Increase number of bar magnet, correct. Reduce speed, no. Increase diameter of the solenoid, no. Jawapan B. Guna stronger magnet, more number of flux line, more line cuts. Maksudnya, lebih besarlah induced EMF produce. Okay, number 37, ini ialah cathode ray tube. Kita ada filament dan juga vacuum tube kat sini. Ada cathode dan anode. Which particle emitted from cathode? Ini very direct lah, is electron lah. Okay, thermionic emission. Number 38, protactinium change to thorium. Become thorium. Okay, kalau neutron, dia ialah 10N. Proton ialah 11. F10. Okay, because there is change in the proton number, so we cannot accept the answer. Ini tak boleh, ini neutron saja tak boleh, proton saja pun tak boleh. So we just look at beta and alpha. How to find? We can make a formula like this. Because you don't know how many alpha, how many beta. Ini alpha, ini beta. Okay? Okay, first you boleh buat mathematics style, gunakan nuclear number. So 234 equals 230 plus 4x. Okay, y times 0 is 0. So you get 4x ialah 4, so x ialah 1. Okay, so you have 1 alpha. And then digunakan proton number. 91 equals 90 plus 2x minus y. X ialah 1. So you dapat y ialah 2 times 1, 2, 92. So 92 minus 91 also 1. Maksudnya 1 beta. So you ada 1 alpha and 1 beta. Jawapan B. Okay, 39. Correct about photoelectric effect. Okay, apa tu photoelectric effect? When light shine on the metal surface, electron will be emitted. Okay, jangan confuse dengan thermionic emission. Thermionic emission ialah heated metal surface. Yang ni light shine on the surface. Okay, jadi number 39 is correct. Emitted at any, salah. Dia ada certain frequency which is larger or equal to threshold frequency. Kinetic depends on intensity. No, kinetic energy depends on frequency, not intensity. Intensity of light affect number of photoelectron emitted. Photoelectron emitted at light frequency is less than, it's not less, should be larger or equal. So answer ialah A, instantaneously emitted. Okay, number 40, Einstein photoelectric equation. You have K max, kinetic energy, energy of photon. Ini ialah photon energy. And W is the work function. Okay, ini ialah E equals to HF. W ialah HFO. F ialah threshold frequency. So what is represented by W? Minimum energy required for photoelectron to be emitted from metal surface. Memang definition pun. Okay, kita tengok yang lain. Maximum kinetic energy. Ini bukan maximum. Minimum pun bukan. Amount energy carried by photon. Bukan. Okay. Jawapan A. Okay. Jadi untuk paper 1 dia boleh cover hampir semua topik. Okay, so that's all. Bye.